Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And do you want to change your location on your phone virtually without physically being there? Well, this can be like you're playing some geolocation based games, or you just want to protect your privacy or from anyone knowing where you are. Alright, and most of the time if you need a software to change the location, most of the time they need to jailbreak or root your device. But what if I tell you today there is a software that I personally use to change my location virtually while staying at home. Alright, and I can use it on both Android and iOS without the need of jailbreaking it. Sounds really interesting, right? And sounds really enticing. So what is the software I am using to do that? Well, it is nonetheless than this software right here. So this is the PokeKeep, and this thing is really awesome, right? So if you're into like geolocation based games and more time require you to be like certain locations or in certain countries, alright, and where you are just limited to where you are, alright, you guys can use this certainly to travel anywhere you want in the world virtually at the comfort of your own home, and you guys can play certain games using that as well. And some of them nowadays Instagram, Snapchat, all this got this feature that show where your location is to everyone else. So if you want to protect your own privacy, you guys can also use this as well. So today I'm going to demonstrate to you using my iPhone running the latest iOS 26 version 2.2, and of course changing location. So they have a different modes of changing of location, so it will be really interesting. So nonetheless, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself so you guys can see for yourself what are the features it can do. So let's go. Alright, so you guys can see this is the software itself, and right now I will have to connect my iPhone to my PC first. So I just need to click on start. Okay, so let me just click on start, and I just need to connect my iOS or Android devices to your PC. It's pretty much the same, alright, for Android and iOS. Both you have to enable developer option on both devices, whether on Android or iOS, but I already enabled on my iPhone already. So you guys can see the moment I connected it, alright, it will show iPhone 12 Pro. So right now what I have to do, alright, is to click on next, alright, and it should keep your device screen unlocked. Alright, so if you are starting this out for the first time, alright, they will show you the on-screen instruction how to enable the developer mode for both Android and iOS devices. You don't need to follow the on-screen instruction, and they will show you how to enable that. So mine already enabled, like I said earlier on. So right now you guys can choose between game mode or general mode. So what's the difference between these two modes? So if you're using playing some geolocation based games, alright, you guys can select game mode because they have some features that can be very convenient for you, alright, or some shortcuts for you, alright, to ace in certain games, alright. It's certain like particular games, alright. But if you're using for socials or just basically changing your location in general, you guys can go to general mode. And today I will be demonstrating to you on Apple Maps itself, so I'll be using general mode. So then you click on general mode, choose the mode you want, alright, and you should keep your device screen unlocked, alright, and it should say my iPhone has been connected successfully. So right now, let me just make this bigger, right, but not too big, because it will be very confusing on the screen itself, right? So let me just make this slightly bigger so that you guys still can see the background itself, right? And yeah, so now let me just open up Apple Maps. Sorry, not the maps. Apple apps, alright, on my iPhone itself. And alright, right now you guys can see I am over here. So they have a few different modes that I will slowly go through one by one. But the first mode I'll be going through, which is called the change location mode. And what does it do? Alright, it's very simple. You just can select anywhere you want in the map. Alright, and probably I want to for somewhere on this island, alright, Jurong Island. I can go over here, click on anywhere I want it to be, and just click on start modifying. Alright. Okay, don't remind me again, just make sure that you see this warning, you acknowledge it, alright, and just click OK, and it should say location modified successfully. And if I go to my Apple Maps and if I zoom out, you guys can see, alright, I am at the exact area where I have inputted it. So it's basically just teleport. Alright, and the best part about this is that not limits you to anywhere in Singapore, right? You guys can move to any other country you want it to be. Like probably like I want to be in Australia, I can just put somewhere in the middle of Australia and just click on start modifying and just wait a while. And then if I go to my Apple Maps and I zoom all the way out, you guys can see I am in the middle of Australia. Look at that. Alright, so yeah, you guys can certainly do that on your iPhone itself. On Apple Maps, right, your GPS will show where you are. But today we'll just be focusing on Singapore, but just to show you the features that, you know, it can be anywhere you want in the world. Alright, so it doesn't limit you to just your country, but you guys can be in any country, anytime, whenever you want it to be. Alright, so I don't know where I let's put myself in some random forest in Singapore. Let me just teleport to somewhere more of a city vibes. Alright, okay, so I'm back. Alright, so yeah, this is basically a teleportation mode, and you guys can see when I select a location, anywhere location on the day, it will show the address and the longitude and the latitude, and as well as the postal code, so you guys can see, alright, if this is the destination you want it to be. Alright, and if you love it or you're visiting this location often, you guys can of course add to favorites, and you guys can go into your favorites over here. Alright, you guys can see, let me just move myself away, and yeah, over here. Alright, and you guys can backtrack where you want, and you can just, you know, you'll be safe into your favorites area, so it's really, really cool. Now let's just show you another mode we have, which is the 2-spot movement mode. And what does this do? Well, let me just select an area over here, maybe Shangri-La Hotel Singapore. Alright, check the location, it's correct. Alright, and you guys can select the speed you want the GPS to move at. Alright, so you guys can see they have different icons as well. You guys can select the speed you want it to be, so I can move it at a driving speed. Alright, and yeah, you guys can choose variable speed or uniform speed. Uniform speed basically it just stays at the speed like 108 km/h throughout the whole journey. Or you guys can have variable speed basically. Alright, guys, the speed will fluctuate to make it look even more realistic. But I'm gonna just keep it at uniform speed. Alright, and select the speed you want, how many times you want. Alright, and just click on plan route. And if you guys can see carefully, there is an actual route that is being planned from where you are to the endpoint you want it to be. So you know, it is like, you know, it's make it super realistic as if like you were on the way. So once you're done, just click on start moving, and your GPS over here will start moving. And if I follow my Apple Maps, if I zoom in a little bit more, all right, you guys can see, all right, I am also moving in the same direction as this is moving. So in Apple Maps, it is also moving, as you can see. All right, it's moving in the route that is being planned out. So yeah, it is, you know, it's super realistic. So if anyone is tracking you, like probably if your boyfriend or girlfriend is tracking you, like using Live 360, they can see, oh, you're on the way. Like when you say you're at home, but say you're on the way, and then they say, oh yeah, you're on the way. So you can just do something like that, which is really cool at the same time. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. And whenever you want to stop anywhere, you can just press pause, and you will just pause where you are. All right, and you can just stop it, and you know, you will just stop where you want it to be. So yeah, this is one that actually plans an actual route for you from point A to point B to make it look super realistic. All right, and now let's go to the multi-spot movement mode. So what does this do? It's pretty much the same as the 2-spot one, and whereas this one you guys can put a lot of spots. So you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, as many stops as you would like. All right, and you guys can select the uniform speed and click on start moving. All right, you guys can see. All right, so this one can also move in a straight line. All right, you guys can see on my Apple Maps, it's moving in a straight line. All right, but if you don't want it to move in a straight line, all right, I can pause, I can stop. All right, and I can select this thing over here, which is the navigation mode. All right, once I click on that, all right, I just need to select a few different points and click on plan route. And all right, instead of moving in a straight line, this will be an actual navigation route, right, from point A to the first point, and then followed by the second, third, and fourth, which is an actual route. So it's not going a straight line like by cutting through the building. So you have, you know, 2 different types that you guys can choose from. So if you like want, like, you know, an actual route from different points, you guys can do that as well. Or you guys can just cut straight as well. You can have a straight line, or you guys can have, you know, an actual planned route. So which is really cool. All right, so yeah, which is the same, but you guys can have multiple points as well. All right, similar to 2.1. All right, and now let's go on to the jump teleport one. So what's the jump teleport means? All right, it's pretty much the same as the first teleport, but you don't have to click the button so many times. So you guys can, like, okay, so I want to teleport to here right now, and then probably later I want to go into here. All right, and maybe later I want to go here, and later I'll end off at Shangri-La again. So you have like 4 different points over here, and you can just click on start moving, and it should teleport you to the first point that you indicated here. So you don't have to like click again. So you can have all the places you want all at one go, and you guys can teleport to the next point. You guys can see it moving to the next point, and then you end off at the last point. When you're done, just click on finish, And yeah, so you guys can have multiple points to teleport to, so it can save you a ton of time instead of like choosing, teleport, right? Because sometimes, you know, certain things that, or certain games, alright, there's only a time limit, so you have to like quickly visit certain points at, you know, quickly instead of like finding and choosing. Alright, and the last mode is the joystick movement mode, and I think pretty much this is very straightforward. You just click on play on the bottom left here. Alright, and you just need to follow, alright, you just need to move around this circular thing, and then, you know, it just follows in the direction you are moving, so you can have a freedom of control where you want your GPS location to go. So you guys can, you know, control it, and you guys can also you know, check the speed, select the speed you want. You guys can slow it down as well. Alright, so yeah, it's joystick. Basically, you can just have the freedom of control in any direction you want. Alright, so it's really, really cool. But let's say that if you don't know where you want on the map, you know the location, but you don't know where it is on the map itself, alright, you guys can always enter the address, the coordinates, or even the postal code. So let me just show you a postal code. So if you know a postal code, alright, click on that. Alright, they come in the postal code of China and as well as in Singapore. Alright, so if this is where I want it to be, alright, and bam, alright, this is the postal code I want it to be, I can teleport to where I want it to be, so you guys can see. Alright, and location, start modifying, and bam, alright, so this is, I search out from where the location I want it to teleport to. Very, very simple. Alright, so you can search by postal code, or you guys can search by, alright, alright, you guys can see, alright, you guys can also search for Roxy Place in the United States as well. You guys see, alright, you guys can search for certain address and you guys can just teleport it or whichever you want it to be. So yeah, you can, this is the location you want, and just click on here. Alright, like this is the place I want, and click on start modifying, and on my Apple Maps, bam, I am in another country in the location that I searched off. You guys can see. Alright, look at that. I'm so far away. Look at that. Alright, so yeah, you guys can also search using the address over here, so you can search by address, which is really, really cool and really convenient, especially if you don't know where it is on the map. You guys can use that to search it up as well. Alright, and you guys can have multiple device connection as well. You guys can connect a few devices and chain them all at once, which is really, really awesome feature of this. So you can connect your Android and your iPhone, and you guys can, you know, change both locations at once. Alright, and yeah, you can zoom in, zoom out. So they have a lot of features over here. So basically, this is the whole demonstration, alright, on how this thing actually works. So which is really, really cool. Alright, and whenever you are done with it, or you might be worried about, hey, you know, my iPhone now is spoofed. So what should I do? You know, if it's spoofed, alright, should I is my GPS not working anymore? Alright, don't worry about it. As long as when I unplug my iPhone, alright, you guys can see it's been disconnected. Alright, we're gonna wait a while and let the GPS settle for a while. And if I just press my location and I'm back into Singapore, so now it is using the actual location. Alright, using my GPS, the actual location in the using the iPhone. You guys can see I'm back to Singapore again. So yeah, so once you unplug that, your iPhone works as per normal, and you guys can still use it as per normal. Alright, so once you plug back in and you spoof again, and your location will be spoofed. So this is how simple and how safe and how reliable this thing is. I'm using this software for quite a while now without any issue at all. Alright, my GPS still works really well on both my Android and iOS phone, so I was really, really happy with this software right here, this PokeKeep software right here. So yeah, you guys have seen from the whole video itself, alright, the whole demonstration, you guys can see, right, this is so easy to use. Alright, very, very straightforward, and you don't need to be really tech savvy to do any of it. Alright, and you can just change it without the need of jailbreaking, without the need of rooting your devices. Alright, and once you unplug it, your GPS go back to its normal form, and it doesn't hurt the GPS or break any part of your phone at all. Alright, so if you are looking for a really safe and reliable location changer out there, because there is so many out there, alright, you know which one is real, which one is good, which one actually works, alright, you guys can try out this PokeKeep, alright, GPS location changer. I'll link them the first link in the description down below for you guys to go ahead and try out right now. Alright, so yeah, that's all for today, guys. Find today's video really interesting and really help you, and really helpful. Do give it a thumbs up, and once again, alright, do check out the first link in the description down below to download this PokeKeep right now and start changing your location today. So yeah, that's all for today, guys, and this is JForce Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.